I've been using my drone to look for Australian salmon along Sydney's beaches recently. It's a pretty cool way to look for fish. Gliding along behind the back of the waves and across the top of the points. Eventually, you find them, and it's amazing to watch these huge schools, thousands of Australian salmon, stacked together, spinning in circles. After watching them for a few weeks, they ended up coming close enough to the ledge to have a cast, and I positioned myself on the top of the screen there. There it is, little 65 gram night, and really simple lure. It's a little metal, imitates a bait fish. They're right there jumping, and the profile of this lure just might be too big. It's really good at getting the distance. Oh, I just almost hit a drone. Oh, right on the top of the drone. Come on, let's get something. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, I'm on. So sick. All right, I'm gonna try and pull it this way. Stand back from this ledge a bit. That's a good salmon. Gonna have some waves coming over this ledge in a minute. It's doing some jumps. Ooh. All right, so I'm staying back. Just try and bite this thing. Wow. Oh, big jump. Oh no, I dropped it. Right near that ledge. No. All right, well, the lure works. So I think we just need to try that again. Come on. Right in there. I'll let it sink for a little bit. 1, 2, 3, and then go. Yep. There we go. On. On. Now I just need to get back. I'm going to take the drag off a little bit because I think that's what happened last time, just the head shakes. And right behind that ledge. Just got to get this angle on it. It's trying to go behind a ledge over there. I'm just trying to get a bit of an angle on it so that it doesn't buff me off. But the hard thing is there's some waves coming, and what's going to happen here? All right, that's good. I'm kind of hiding behind this ledge, which is a good thing, but you need to get the fish up around this point here. See how it's like right on that reef? Get it over that, otherwise it's going to do me in. Not that salmon really try and do this on purpose, it's more that that's just an obstruction in the way. But here we go. Oh, I can feel it hitting the rocks. Oh, there we go. Oh no, I dropped it. No way. Seriously? Right, I gotta get off this point. Man, just having an absolute shocker with these guys. Probably gonna have to go pretty shortly. Maybe I can get one from this ledge over here. Oh, bro, keep dropping them, eh? So hard to land them over there. Yeah, it's really hard. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh, I just can't get them. I gotta go to work. Gonna have to come back another time and give it a go. Alright, I've been tracking these salmon for a little while, and one of my friends gave me a call and told me that they were nice and close within casting distance. So I've just popped down for a really quick session and just really impromptu. So I'm not very well prepared, but let's see how we go. We'll just get straight into it, get down there and start casting. It's gone super light this afternoon. Got a box of lures and a little 10 kilo spinning outfit, and just trying to find a way down this cliff. That's probably my hardest thing to manage this afternoon. Ooh, it's sketchy. I'm pretty late to the party, as usual. Will today be my day? Don't know. Only one way to find out. I think they're on the surface there. Yeah, there they are. G'day. Good. Just trying to chase these salmon.
Yeah, I know. I saw about it the other day.
I'm having a shocker with them.
Oh, really?
I've hooked a few, I just can't get them in. They're around here, aren't they?
Sorry?
I think they're around here, eh? Yeah.
Oh, good luck.
Thanks, man. Bit of swell. Throw this on.
Salmon. See him jumping?
Massive.
Alright, this is a really sketchy spot to fish from in terms of landing them. I actually don't know how I'm going to land a fish here. Let's see. See if we can do it. Okay, here we go. Yep, oh, come on. Yep. Landing, it's going to be the hard part. Where can I land it? That's the question. Oh, wait. Oh man, this is a good fish. I just don't know where I'm going to land it. It's really hard to get it through these rocks, but maybe if I can get it up, maybe. Swimming into the beach, which is kind of good, but I'll stay up here for a little bit. Oh. Oh man. I think this height advantage is really good here. It's just going to be about getting it through these rocks. Oh my gosh, look at where it is. sketchiest spot to land a fish. Where's it going? Going into the shallows or what? Oh man. Come on. Oh, it's jumping right there. No, 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 don't go around that rock. Come on. Let's go. Oh, come on. Swim, keep swimming. Yes. This is good. This is good. Oh, come on. Oh, mate, it's got to keep that tension. Where is he? Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. It's going to be really, really hard to land. Oh, come on. No, come on. Don't go in those rocks. Don't go in those rocks. Oh, come on. Come on, here we go. Where are we going here? Oh yeah, swim around there. That's good. Just let it swim around there a bit. Oh, not through there. Not through there. Don't. Oh no, and there's waves coming. This is not good. Oh, 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 oh. Wow. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. Where is it? Right on the other side of that rock. No, don't hit that rock. Run out, run out, run out. Run out. Okay. Oh, come on. Come on. Where is it? Where is it? There, right there. Let's go through those rocks. Yes. Around that side. Oh no. Oh, come on. If we can get it in here, we're doing well. Oh, here we go. Here we go. I think we can get it in. Oh, this is the test. Oh, where is it? Under that rock? Oh, come on. Come on. No, 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 no. There we go. Come on. Right up in here. Come on. Oh my gosh. She's fighting so hard. Oh no, no, don't get on that rock. No. Get away from that rock. Yes, there we go. In here, this is what we want. This is what we want. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh, come on. No, 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 no. Don't do that. No, no, no. Oh, there we go. Here we go. Oh, mate, a bit more pressure. I think it's hooked in the back. Oh, mate, a foul hooked salmon in the dodgiest spot. Come on. Oh, come on, it can't turn its head. That's why. Oh, got him up. This wave's gonna get it. Oh, yes. Oh, come on. Don't break the line. Oh. All right, wave's coming. Oh, no. Get the leader. That is the worst kind of hook ever. Oh. That was really challenging.
Oh, righto.
That's a good one.
That's unreal.
Really nice salmon.
Lovely.
How was that fight? So hard.
Epic.
Yeah. I'll keep this one for dinner.
For sure.
So good.
Alright, you're right in the middle.
I've caught some of these, but I've never cooked them.
Yeah, look, if you leave them straight away,
Yeah, okay.
and you got to cut out all the bloodline,
Yeah.
but then they're really good. You can have them sashimi
Oh, well. Yeah, okay.
like ceviche with
Yeah, beautiful.
Wow.
pineapple juice,
Oh.
and capers are really good.
Yeah, okay, cool.
Got a bit of a feed, pretty happy about that. Finally got down here and caught a salmon. They've just been eluding me, and I don't know, just been having a shocker with them. They're not the hardest fish to catch. Just throw a metal out there, hook them, have the drag a bit looser than you think so you don't pull hooks, and then it's just about fighting them all the way in. But where they've been, it's just been this really sketchy spot because you kind of got to cast over rocks, you've got to bring them in through rocks, and it's really technical, challenging fishing, and they're big fish and they're strong. So
yeah, definitely a great sport fish. Eating qualities, I used to let them go, but now I bleed them straight away, ikejime spike them, make sure they kill them quickly, and the eating quality is actually pretty good. So I keep one and I'll take it home for the family. And look, you can make pineapple ceviche, it's really good, or just, you know, your simple fish and chips. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Catch you next time. See you later.